This is a great use for overripe bananas. Sprinkle of cinnamon, squeeze of lemon and a splash of rum and Bob's your uncle. Leave the skin on the bananas and slice them lengthways. Mix together the sugar with the ground cinnamon and sprinkle on the cut side. Place the bananas on a medium hot grill and barbecue until they are softened. Whisk the cream with the rum and add a little icing sugar if needed. Serve the grilled bananas hot with lemon wedges and plenty of rum cream. You're going to feel like you're in the Caribbean with these gorgeous cinnamon rum bananas.